Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
Hi friends, in this video I just going to show how to insert a place or a location. So in previous video I just showed how to insert this date. If you don't watch that video, you just go to my videos and you can watch it. And in this video I just going to show how to insert a location on your Google Docs. You just need to simply go to the insert option here. Then you just need to click on the smart chips. So this is the option. You can find the location, so you can see there is a place. So now you just want to type which place that you want to pin. For an example, I just pin as Taj Mahal. So whenever you open the document, you just go to move your cursor to the name of the location. You can see the exact location. You can open the preview on your Google map and make a direction. So this is so simple and easy. So you can easily make your location, or you can pinpoint some other location that you are talking about in this document. So make a location, just go to the insert option, then go to the smart chips and go to the place and type your location, and usually you can pin the location on your Google Docs. So try this option on Google Docs now, and if you want more videos like this, if you want to know more about Google Docs, just follow this channel, and we will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.